guys, it's Rachel here. I'm back with my gift idea. I think it's number 7, but I will write the correct number in the description box and in the title. Now, I've been waiting to do this. I've had these ready for about a week, but I just had to be ready to start uploading my Arteza videos. So they're not really a gift in the sense, but they're a gift bag. So you put the gift inside the gift bag. So for example, the journal that, the scrappy journal that we made last time could easily go in one of these bags. You could put a scrappy journal in there and then put a whole lot of ephemera, all kinds of fun things. Let me just see, I've got my box. It's probably about a 5 by 7. Now that's not going to fit in one of these bags, so I need to do an A3 piece of paper for that. Now, what I did was, now you will have already watched my next Arteza video painting on the papers, how I decorated the papers. So these are papers that were my trial papers, and I will have shown you this paper here. Now this paper here, I wasn't particularly mad about it because yeah, I don't know, maybe different colors I would have liked more with the straw paper behind. However, wrapped up as a present with some velvet trim and some pom-poms and a piece of something else to decorate it is lovely. So this piece here, was cut out from the sparkly Arteza felt pieces that I got. I just used my Sizzix, and you'll need bigs to cut these. The bigs, the ones that also cut the fabric. Or you can draw it yourself and cut it out. It's not, it's not an issue. But I think they're a really nice touch to a present. And I've just put little dabs of glue underneath here and there just so it's not flopping about everywhere. And made pom-poms. And then this one, I painted stripes in different colors and on a cream piece of paper. I've put another die cut from the Arteza felts, and then I made some pom-poms, some cotton rope, I should say, handles. And this one I lined with some old book page. I don't know if you can see in there, maybe that way where the light is. So that one's really strong. And this was just a piece of A4 paper. This was also a piece of A4 paper. I only put one pom-pom there because I need to make another one. I like things in 3s, so I would have had 2 pom-poms and 1 branch. And again, I put glue here and there just so it doesn't flop about everywhere. And the pom-pom, and then this one's not lined, but it's reinforced up here with this piece of book page that I just folded over and glued down here and there. And I painted the papers again with the Arteza. And then the last bag I made is this one. It's got this sparkly satiny sort of Christmassy sort of trim, and the stars I cut from the Arteza felts, the stiff felts, and I really liked them for this. And I used my cookie cutter, so I had a cookie cutter with all different sizes, and I just traced them and cut them out, and made some pom-poms and painted some straw paper again in all different colors. And I just where the seam is, I put some book page upside down. Not on purpose. And the other thing is, I was asked to do my take on these bags by a subby, and a Treasure Books has done it. I've also saved a lot of these on Pinterest. I've seen these before on Pinterest. Exactly the same technique, like they've got photographs of how to make them, and it's the exact same method as Treasure Books. So I'll link her video when I do the tutorial, show you how I made them. So, and I don't know whether I'll get that video done today or tomorrow because I've got a friend coming over. However, you will be watching me painting the paper, and then you'll see this video. And the other thing I wanted to say was, if you want to see how to make the pom-poms, I'm happy to do that. I use a pom-pom maker. I'll show you. So this is my pom-pom maker. I've got I bought a pack of, I think there's 4 different sizes in the pack. This is the big one. Or is there another big one? Just a sec. No, that's the biggest one, and it makes a very big pom-pom. So for these I use the 2 smallest, but I'm not going to make a huge pom-pom. It take a while to do a big pom-pom. But I can show you how you use it if you want to. I'm not perfect at using it, but I've kind of figured it out. But it's a very easy way to make pom-poms with this. I don't have that many colour wools because I don't knit or anything like that. I just use them for this sort of thing or wrapping and that stuff. So pretty much the colours that you see here are what I've got, plus this colour here. So yeah, so the next I will be showing how I made the bags as my next gift idea for the 12 gift ideas for Christmas. So obviously, you know, we're making gifts. We need to also have a way to package the gifts. And I thought these are very nice because you could put a sticker over there, or a doily would be nice if you have enough space. Like I've got a doily here, although maybe a colourful doily, or a white, no, not a white doily, maybe a coffee dyed doily, I don't know. This is one of the crafty colours of doilies, but a doily, how pretty is a doily over that? So obviously not on this one because it's a narrower bag and there's not enough space. But I mean, there's so many different possibilities that you can do with these. This is just one idea. So I will see you soon in the next video, and I hope you're enjoying this little Arteza series. I can't tell you the amount of fun that I've had doing this. I mean, I could have done more, but, you know, I've got to do my orders and other stuff as well. So I will slowly keep on working with their products anyway. So as new ideas come in, I'll show you them. So, yep. So that's my idea, and I will be back soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.